This lemon gold chiffon cake is rich with lemon flavor, light in texture, and a little old-fashioned in the best way.
And I'm going to show you how to make it.
And why the egg whites, gentle folding, and an ungreased tube pan make all the difference. Here's a list of the cake ingredients and the frosting ingredients, and I've put the full recipe in the description. So let's get started separating those eggs. We want to zest a fresh lemon and also squeeze fresh lemon juice. The zest gives you the strongest lemon flavor, and the juice brightens the batter and the frosting. A quick tip is to chill the bowl and the beater before we mix up the batter. Sift all of the dry ingredients together in a large bowl. Sifting helps keep the batter light and gets everything evenly mixed before we add the wet ingredients. Make a well in the dry ingredient mixture and then add your wet ingredients in order. First, we add the oil instead of butter. Next up are those beautiful egg yolks. Oh, let's get that last one out. The cold water, that's very important. Lemon zest. And then finally, lemon juice. Now we're going to use a whisk to mix the egg yolk batter, and this is the old-fashioned style of mixing everything together in the well. The batter should be smooth, but don't overbeat it. Add the egg whites to the chilled bowl and beaters, and add the cream of tartar. Using a chilled bowl will result in very stiff peaks, and we want those egg whites to be very stiff. This is the stage you're looking for. Really stiff peaks. Beautiful. They're really mixed up well. And this is the pan. It's an Angel Food cake pan, an aluminum. And you can see it separates with the tube, and it's ungreased. It's very important that you use an ungreased pan, because what happens is that the aluminum of the pan allows the cake batter to kind of climb up the pan. And that's what will give us our beautiful lemon gold chiffon cake. We have our egg whites, and now we're going to pour this lovely egg yolk batter on top and start to fold very gently. Now we blend the two batters, the egg whites and the egg yolk. And if you stir too hard here, if you stir too much, you'll ruin the batter. So just very gentle strokes. And once folded, get it into the pan right away. I bake chiffon cake at 325 Fahrenheit, and you'll see it's on the lower third or the bottom third rack, so it has room to rise and bake through gently. Once it comes out of the oven, I turn the pan upside down and let the cake cool completely, like this. Now while the cake is cooling, let's mix up that frosting. We want to start with softened butter and then gradually add powdered sugar that's been sifted. It's really important to get the lumps out. The lemon juice, add gradually. The zest you can put in right away. And that will make sure you get a very creamy frosting. And here I'm just adding in the balance of the powdered sugar. And scrape the sides as you go. And there, beautiful frosting ready for your lemon chiffon cake. Look at the crumb on this gorgeous cake. And my tip would be to put it on the cake plate you want to serve your lemon chiffon cake from. Say that quickly. And then when it's frosted, I also like to add a little more zest to the top, just to give it a little extra lemon flavor. Okay, let's get that slice out. Beautiful crumb, and we have lots of delicious lemon fluff frosting, it's called in the recipe. And just for fun, you know, because we can.
It's light, lemony. Love the frosting. It just bursts with lemon flavor.
It's really good.
And I should mention that this cake freezes really well too. It's actually better if you make it a day or two ahead of time and just wrap it up tightly and put it in the freezer and you're good to go. I think we'll have to do that because that's a lot of cake.